last lap. Last lap. Oh, panalo. Champion. Ronnie Man. Sayaw naman dyan. Sayaw naman dyan. Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw, sayaw. Alright. Champion Ronnie. Going to Malaysia. Grabe, last. Semi-finals. Let's go. All right, first round. Semi-finals. Manta Cup Leg 2 Road to Malaysia by Apex Glory Happy Shop. All right. Okay, nagbubunutan po sila kung anong lane nila. Ronnie on lane 4. Okay po, ang nangunguna po ngayon ay si Echo. Echo leading, Echo Embang. Okay, Ronnie is on the lead this time. Mahabol po kayo si Nagris. Okay, na exit slope, pasok pa rin si Ronnie. Ayan na po. Last lap para kay Ronnie. Embang kaya o makatapos. Alright, Ronnie. Ronnie gets the podium on the first run. Second run, Zuma versus JB Aquino versus Abby. This is semifinals, guys. Wearing the McLaren Cup, Abby, the Nagris boy, DIR. Okay, guys. Second round semifinals. Low pa yung TV, no? Okay, guys. Okay, Abby accelerates. Umeba po si Abby. Ang pumapangalawaan ng bigan naman ngayon ay si JB Aquino at si Zuma. Okay, JB Aquino na una pero bakbakan po sila ni Zuma. Ayan po. Umeba si Zuma. Kukunin na po ang podium ni JB Aquino. Okay, and the third run. Makoy versus Ronnie. Ronnie with the cup. Ronnie. Okay, same ticket. Ronnie versus Ronnie. Auto podium by Ronnie. Alright. So this guys, Ronnie will be on the auto podium again. Pero ang bilis po talaga nitong pula ng kay Makoy. Okay, napaka-stable at napakabilis. Ayan na. Last lap daw para kay Makoy. Okay, podium na. Podium! Ronnie again. Makoy. Okay. Fourth round. Teammate versus teammate. Boots versus Doc. This is the fourth round, guys. Manta Cup. Leg 2, road to Malaysia. Okay, ready guys, ready. Okay. On the outer lane. Outer lane, sino po ang outer lane? Outer lane kay Butch and inner lane by Doc. Doc, namumuna. Oy, namumuna po si Butch. Humabol po si Doc. Tiktikan lang. Grabe na tong mag-teammate na to. Napaka-stable nila, guys. Okay. Nanguna po ngayon. Nanguna po si Doc. Vertical ni Doc. Ayan na. Nanguna pa rin po si Doc. Makakahabol kaya si Kevin. Last lap na po. winner, Koki Nicola. And the last run, semi-finals. Rani again versus Boss Samboy. Last run guys. Leg 5 Manta Cup. Mantap Cup. Alright guys, nakikita nyo. Nauna po si Rani. Umembang na po si Boss Samboy. Ay, hindi pala bumalik. Okay. Rani is on the lead. Umembang na po si Boss Samboy sa kawalan. Ayan na po. Go Rani. Okay. Last lap. Podium again by Rani. Okay. Ayan na guys. This is finals. Rani versus Stock versus JV, McCoy, and Boss Samboy. Mantap Cup. Leg 2, Road to Malaysia by Apex Glory Happy Shop. Hey guys, nag-ready lang sila. Bubunutan ko anong lane nila. Magbubunutan po sila. And pinapabunot na po ni Francis. Okay. Ready? Ready. Start your engine. Go. This is finals, guys. Okay. Nanguna. Oy, umembang na po ang dalawa. Nanguna po, sino po nanguna? Nanguna po ang kay Rani. Rani nanguna. Kay Makoy Paul pa lang nanguna. Humahabol po yung kay Rani. Last lap. Last lap. Oh, panalo. Champion Rani ba? Sayaw naman dyan. Sayaw naman dyan. Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw, sayaw. Alright. Champion Rani going to Malaysia. Grabe, last.
Hi guys! Mag-picture pa ako. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay guys, sila lang pong tatlo kasi 1, 2, 3 po ang kay Rani. 1, 2, 3, fifth placer si Rani. Closer! Okay guys, congrats!
Ba't pala naka-glasses?